Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Robert Mugo. I'm an academician, a financial analyst, and a CPA. Today I want us to know, is it important to keep records? Is it important to keep records as a business or as an individual? I will first start as an individual. On your day-to-day life, you have your incomes on one side, you have your expenses on the other hand. So what you need to know, how much do I make? How much do I make from my employment? That is employment income. If I have somewhere I get allowances here and there, how much do I get? If I have a side hustle, maybe I keep chicken, I sell eggs, I sell meat, how much do I get? All your incomes added together, you all, be it employment, be it side hustles, be it business, you put them on one side. Then you ask yourself, how much are my expenses? How much do I pay in terms of rent? How much do I pay in terms of school fees? How much do I pay in terms of black tax, supporting my relatives and so on? And at the end of the day, you will be able to know, do I have a surplus? Do I have a deficit? So one, it is important to keep records as a business, as an individual, because you will be able to know at the end of the day, what do I need or what is the extra that I have? Now, with this surplus or deficit, you can be able to know. If I want, let's say I have a surplus, if I want to save $1 million, and every month I make a surplus of 50,000, those are 20 months that I'll need to save. So if I wanted to do a business, I know I will save 20 months, be able to do that. If I am not able to have a surplus and I have a deficit, record keeping will help me know early enough that probably I'm living life beyond my ability. It is a high time I will be able to prioritize my expenditure. Know, can I cut on this? Can I cut on that? Or if I have some income or side hustle, it is a high time I put more effort on that so that it will be able to reverse that deficit that I'm making. As a business person, it is important to keep records because it will help your business also do financial projections. I want my business whose worth is 200,000. If I want this business to be worth $1 million in 2 years, what do I need? If I keep records, I will be able to tell which product sells most. I can be able to invest more on that. I'll be able to tell which product doesn't sell, what we call in accounting obsolete stock, so that I can be able to reduce my investment on that. As a business person, my records that I keep, I will be able to go with them, provide them to a financial institution, and they will be able to evaluate, and if I wanted a loan facility, they can lend me basing on that. I tell you, my viewers, everywhere you are, be it an individual, be it a business person, even if you are a 65-year-old or 90-year-old or 25-year-old, please keep records and later you will come and thank me. Have a good day. Enjoy your life.